Welcome back, everybody. It's Patrick with K40 Electronics, and today I want to talk about a very cool feature called Band Selectivity that comes on our new Platinum 100 portable radar and laser detector. What band selectivity does is instead of searching throughout the whole K-band spectrum or the whole Ka-band spectrum, it will just look for the police frequencies in use for speed enforcement today. What it does as a benefit is cuts down on some false alerts, and it even gives you quicker warning time since it doesn't have to use the processor to look through the whole band. Well, it's easy to change your K or Ka over to narrow instead of the default wide setting. All you do is press and hold the dim menu button in the lower right until you get into the menu. Then you do a series of press and release
wake up, auto volume
until you get to K wide. And then you would use the arrows to move it over to K narrow. And you can do one more press and release of the dim menu button to get to Ka and move that over to narrow as well. That should give you a little bit more warning time and again a few less false alerts along the way. It's also nice that you could move the K-band over to something called K extended. And K extended can be nice because what it does is it widens, it extends the entire K-band. So if the police come out with new technology or if they bring speed cameras to your town that operate in a very low-end portion of the K spectrum, then your K40 detector will be able to pick that signal up and still keep you out of trouble. Really nice. We're always thinking of future-proofing ideas to keep you out of trouble. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call anytime at 1-800-323-5608 and speak to a radar and laser defense expert. Thank you so much for tuning in and look forward to seeing you back here soon.